Let me ask you a question. When you think of packaging solutions, who's the best? Who's the all-time leader? Who's the greatest? The GOAT? It's Fortis. Everybody knows it's Fortis. You know it's Fortis? I know it's Fortis. And when you think of sales coaching, who's the GOAT? Well, it's me, Matt Easton. Hi, what's up, Team Fortis? You got your boy, Matt Easton, in the house, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. As you guys know, we're going to be getting together in H-Town coming up very soon. I'm going to see you guys in Houston. But I wanted to make this video right now for a very special group. Some BDRs, AKA Navy SEALs, AKA the best of the best. Not only am I going to be seeing you guys in Houston, but it sounds like, it seems like, it feels like we're going to be hanging out on the EastonUniversity.com portal. I'm going to be working with you guys so you guys can help not only lead the way for the team in scheduling appointments, but lead the way for yourselves in your career. So I wanted to send a special shout out. Who do we have on the team? We got Luis, we got Dan, we got Clayton. Did I forget some? Yeah, I did. DeMar, Clark, Juan, BDRs, Navy SEALs, Fortis, Matt Easton. You and I are going to be getting together. You guys are going to have portal access. You guys are going to be on the Tuesday, the Thursday lives. Be there. You're going to see how your job is going to get a lot easier. I'm going to show you how to get the attention of prospects. I'm going to show you how to deliver insights. I'm going to show you how to schedule meetings for your AEs. You guys are the tip of the spear. It all starts with you, and I've got you. You are working for the best with Fortis. You've got the best coach in the biz. We are going to be at championship level for this year. I'm going to see you guys in Houston. We're going to do a special group photo together. And I'm going to see you guys on the EastonUniversity.com portal, I think, very, very soon. So great to meet you guys. If you have any questions at all, let me give you my personal mobile, 720-660-3202. I like working with the best, and Fortis is the best, and it all starts with your team. If you have any questions at all, you've got a friend in me. Save my number in your phone, 720-660-3202. I'll see you on the EastonUniversity.com portal, and I'll see you in H-Town. See you soon.